So today we are going to do a quick garlic update. I planted this garlic November 18th of 2024. So this is soft neck garlic with a volunteer sunflower, and it has a couple of weeds in this one too. This is a volunteer sunflowers also in this soft neck garlic. I have no idea why the soft neck garlic has volunteer sunflower seeds, but they both do. A little one, and then this one has 4 huge ones. This is the hard neck, and these are all getting garlic scapes. So I brought my pruners so that we can take these out. That means they are almost ready, and they look great. Almost all of them have garlic scapes. Some of them are just coming up. And some of them are already curling. So it's almost time. Since this soft neck bag is not doing so great anyway, let's pull one out and see what we got. So this one definitely looked like it's gonna be weird, but let's see what this one is gonna do. Let's check out this one. Look like a decent head of garlic, y'all. See if I feel ridges. I do. You know what? I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it alone. That one looked like a decent head, and then when I felt it, I felt the ridges. This might not be. This one is a small one. So this is the soft neck, and like I said, this bag here, I don't quite feel ridges in here either, but this can still be used as garlic. You just have to use the whole thing. But this is, I don't know why I got sunflowers. Look at that. Don't know. Do not know. But this is my update for my garlic. So November 18th is when I planted these, and today is May the 4th. I got sunflowers, that's for sure. You know what? I'm gonna harvest this whole bag. We're gonna experiment with this one. We're gonna harvest the whole bag. So we're just gonna sacrifice this bag because it's not doing amazing anyway. Oh, this one got ridges. So this one did have the separation. I can feel it. This one I could tell it was super wimpy, that it wouldn't. This one has the ridges. This one too. They're not bad size either. This is my first time growing garlic. That's a nice size. Now this one is right next to the sunflower, so uh-oh. I gotta go find it. This one was growing right next to the sunflower. And this one, of course, I'm gonna have to cook with that one, but it definitely still has the ridges. I can feel them. We got a couple more. This bed is actually not too bad. I thought it would be a lot worse, being that it was overrun with, well, the other one actually is even worse with the sunflowers, but the fact that it's in here with sunflowers, which are heavy feeders too. Uh-oh. I messed this one up. I accidentally pulled the paper off. Actually not that bad. And sorry that this video is shot in the wrong orientation, but I was gonna make this a short and then I decided to go ahead and take all the garlic. But this honestly is a really not bad sized garlic. Like, it's really not. So this is organic, regular, classic garlic from the grocery store. So it's really not bad size at all. And this is me pulling them early. Now, and like I said, I pulled this early because that bag was the weakest bag. I guess I can record in the correct orientation now. But let's see this other one. So this is where we just took it from. Look at this sunflower, y'all. I'm gonna let that keep going. I'm gonna see if I can transplant that. It'll probably go into shock and pass out. But that's where we just pulled from. I just got a composter and that is gonna go right here in this area. So I'm gonna move these bags. Good thing about having the grow bags. And so I don't know if y'all, if you are new in this like first video, this garlic traveled with us from the first house, and it was in grow bag. I'm sorry, it was in a raised bed. It was actually in this raised bed. So we brought this bed with us. We dug up all the soil. We put the soil in these bags, took all of the garlic out, and we moved it with us because I was like, I'm not about to toss my garlic just because we moving. I just bought this garlic. Some of it I bought from a company, some of it I bought right from Aldi. So the small ones that I just pulled are one of the ones that one of the bags that came from Aldi. So this one with the sunflowers, I don't know why the Aldi garlic got sunflowers, but it do. Look at this. So those might actually be even smaller since they have so much competition in there with them. But these are hard neck. Those two are not ready yet. I'm definitely not pulling those out yet. And all of my garlic is gonna be getting processed. I won't be I don't plan on braiding the soft neck garlic and holding on to it. I plan on, after it dries and cures, I plan on processing it. So, do I even have to dry it and cure it if I plan on processing it? Let me know, because I don't know. This is my first year growing it. This sunflower, it looks like it's gonna be pretty. Y'all, this is crazy. But there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sunflowers in that small bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, neighbor cutting grass. And then this one had just the one. And it had decent size. Decent size. And these stalks are really nice size. I got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I got 9 in each one. But like I said, these have scapes coming out of almost all of them, which I'm gonna cut out today. All right, that was my little garlic update. I got excited and needed to see what was under the dirt. I know I'm not supposed to do that, but it's so exciting. It's so exciting. And again, y'all let me know if I don't plan on storing it and I plan on actually just I'm gonna move it off of here. I see this little red mites. If I plan on just processing this, do I still have to cure it? I don't know the rules. I don't know the rules, but I do know I need to put it in a cool, dry place. So that's gonna happen. It's gonna go in my garage under a fan until I figure out what I'm supposed to do, since I done decided to pull garlic early. Thank y'all for watching this little impromptu video of me checking on my garlic.